Hello guys, here's Programming Inspiring. Welcome to the third part of the Pong series. Create a new folder, call it res for resources. Now get into the description and copy this. Get this image or create it on your own. It's I think 16 by 16 pixels. Yes, 16 by 16 pixels, so you can create your own. That's about. Now go into the properties, Java build path, libraries, add class folder, and check the res folder. Apply and close, and if we refresh, it has to turn into this icon. Okay, now create a few classes. One will be renderer, and we should put it in the right package, so delete it and renderer and in the graphics package, and create one more. It will be called sprite, also in the graphics package. So let's create the sprite class first. Public int width and public int height, public int array of pixels, public sprite string path, and try catch. In the catch, just e dot print stack trace. In the try, buffered image. Image is equal to image.io, sprite.class.get resources and path. Width is equal to image.get width, and height is equal to image.get height. Pixels is equal to image.get RGB, and 0, 0,0 width, height, null 0 and width. Create another constructor, public sprite int width, height, and int color. This dot width is equal to width, this dot height is equal to height, pixels is equal to new int width times height, for int I is equal to 0, I is less than pixels dot length I plus pixels I is equal to color. And here has to be int. Now let's create one sprite that we imported. Public static sprite ball is equal to new sprite / ball.png. It is called ball.png, and / means it's in the same directory as Pong. So we have a image that IO image IO dot read has to be here. Sorry guys. And now go to the renderer class, and here we have private static int w is equal to pong dot width and h is equal to pong dot height. Public static int array of pixels is equal to new int w times h. Public static void render background is equal to for int I is equal to 0, I is less than pixels dot length I plus plus pixels dot I is equal to 0x ff f4. That's light gray color. Our background is gonna be that color. Public static void render sprite s int x position and int yp for y position if xp is less than minus s dot width, or yp is less than minus s dot height, or xp is greater or equal to w, or yp is greater or equal to h. That means our sprite is not on the screen, so just will return. For int y is equal to 0, y is less than s dot height, y plus plus, int y is equal to y plus y position, so it won't be rendered in the left up corner, but where we want. If yy is greater than h, or yy is less than 0, just continue. This means that this pixel is not on the screen. Int x is equal to 0, x is less than s dot width, x plus plus, int xx is equal to x plus xp if xx is less than 0, or xx is greater or equal to w. Continue. If now int call for color is gonna be equal to s dot pixels x plus y times s dot width, and if color is equal to 0x ff00ff, we're gonna continue. That's gonna be our alpha color, that purplish color around the wall, so we don't render that. Pixels xx plus yy times w is equal to color, so we render this color on our screen. Now let's go into the game class and create some render something. Renderer dot render background first, and now at the end we have to set Pong pixels to whatever the renderer pixels are, so we will see it on our JFrame. Pong.pixels.I is equal to renderer.pixels of I, not dot I is less than Pong.pixels. Renderer dot render sprite dot ball, render it at some random position on the screen, so 100, and let's try it, and here we have our ball. So thank you guys for watching, see you in the next one.